ever since, everyone started working from home. Well, today's deep dive, it's about more than just like Zoom fatigue, right?
Right.
We're talking about the behind-the-scenes stuff, the stuff that actually made remote work, well, work.
Yeah, the tech side of it.
Exactly. And we've got a fascinating story for you. It's about a company right here in Hawaii, Cowabunga Computers.
Oh, I know them.
They stepped up big time during the pandemic for a major insurance provider. Can you imagine?
Oh, I can only imagine. I mean, suddenly everyone's got to work from home, but it's not just a matter of like, here's a laptop, good luck, right?
No, not at all.
You've got security, setup, troubleshooting.
It's a logistical nightmare.
A total nightmare, and that's where Cowabunga Computers comes in. They basically became like an extension of the insurance company's IT department.
So what did they actually do? Did they just like drop off laptops and say, aloha?
No, no, no. They did on-site installations at every employee's home.
Wow.
Yeah. They made sure everything was hooked up right, all the cables were managed.
Oh, the cable.
And most importantly, they made sure everyone could connect securely to the company network.
That's huge because I swear I spent a whole day last week just trying to untangle the mess under my desk.
It's the worst. But yeah, they went all out on security. Set up VPNs with multi-factor authentication for everyone.
No wonder that insurance company went remote so smoothly. I mean, everything was falling apart back then.
It's true. And get this, the insurance provider's employee productivity remained at 90% of pre-pandemic levels.
Seriously.
Within a month. That's practically unheard of.
That is unbelievable. Most companies took a major hit. But here's what I find really interesting. They didn't just ditch the whole work from home thing when things calmed down. They kept it going.
They did.
And you know what else? They stuck with Cowabunga Computers.
It really shows how well this whole thing worked. This wasn't just a Band-Aid solution. They made working from home, actually enjoyable.
For sure. And it makes you think, though, not having to worry about all that tech stuff. How much did that really help the insurance company's bottom line?
Yeah. Definitely something to think about.
And what about the employees? Did they, appreciate that personal touch, having someone set everything up at their house?
Yeah, and will this kind of hands-on IT support become the norm as more companies go remote?
Interesting stuff. So if you were suddenly working from home, what kind of tech support would you want? Just something to think about.